Hey. I don't think so. Wait a minute. Man, one. Looks like one. We're good. Bianca and Mariella. They're in the B's. Mr. Athmer is fourth here, I think. Hey, everybody. I'm stamping. Stamping, stamping, stamping. I want you to come up with examples of... Perfect, I like it. Congruent shapes in the classroom. In the classroom, what do you got? Make it happen. Oh. Congruent shapes in the classroom. I see Kevin cranking. I see Maria cruising. I see Juan checking out definitions in his book before anybody else is opening one up. Good, 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 good. How long do you do now's last? 5 minutes. We have 1 minute left. Congruent. Same. 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 Like this. Share. Share. See?
You want me the same value and distance.
Exactly. I like it. Yeah. Get your bumps up. Like it? Cool. Leah, congruent shapes in the classroom. Check them out. What do you got? What do you got? It's not really anybody. Floor, get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Congruent things in the classroom. Make it happen. Write down some congruent things in the classroom. Kevin, good? Deshaun wrote how many things? He only wrote one. 3. Write 3 at least. Maybe you don't even know what congruent means. We're going to learn that today because Kayla's going to read the objective. Huh? Are they good 3 things? Brown's got a couple things. Leah's thinking, she's pondering. She's pondering. How long do you do now's last? We were premature, the bell just rang. You gave me before the bell, I see you. 4 minutes. Shh. I want to see you come up with the most things. First period, some guy had 15 things in the classroom that were congruent. 15. They're there. I see them. They're there. You wrote most of them down, but now you see if one person can write them all down. I like how Christian's drawing pictures too. Christian's doing pictures with his words. Me gusta. Who needs a stamp? Who needs one? Maria?
Hay que dibujar una S y una S de
Floor's
cabeza.
thinking. Floor, do you need one? Oh, she's putting 3 stamps on her paper. Marquette. Drill, 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 drill. Drill, drill. Fingers, Lisa. Lisa.
Huh?
Two minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Keep writing, see if you can get 15 things. Wouldn't be Marquette. Grab a hand out. I like that one. I like the third one. Kevin, how many you got? I'm giving a professional point out. I see 100% participation. We're at volume level 0. Way to be, way to be, way to be. Way to be. Cynthia. Come on, sign up.
Do you have a pen?
Yeah, you're on.
Okay, I'm gonna get pen.
Right, he's right next to us. He's right.
Yeah, you said
One minute, 1 minute. How many did you get? 16. Kevin thinks he's got 16. 16. 16. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Leah, you got one right? Leah. Did you get a, here's a pen.
Oh, yeah.
10 seconds. I want to hear them. I want to hear them. Rapid fire tickets. Rapid fire tickets. All right. The question was very simple. What are some congruent figures in the classroom? On the floor. What about the floor? The tiles, right? If I look at a tile and look at another tile, don't they look the exact same thing? They look the same size, same shape, and everything, right?
Yeah.
Maria, what'd you say? Maria, you say it. The which one? The tables? The tables! Look at your table! The tables are the same table. I bet they were produced by the same manufacturer. I bet they were produced by the same people, the same factory. They're the same thing. Marquette, what do you got? The windows! Look at the windows! If you look out one window and then look at another window, I bet you're kind of looking through the same thing, right? Same size, same shape. Brianna? The cabinets! Look at the cabinets! They're the same thing, one next to another. I love it. Keep cooking. Deshaun.
Books on the shelf.
The book. Which books on the shelf? Be careful. Be precise. The math books. Which math books? There's a ton of math books over there. The geometry book. There's two kinds of geometry books. The blue geometry books. Now we're being precise. They're the same thing because they're published by the same company. I bet they're the same book. Gloria.
The computers.
The computers. The Dell computers. They're all the same shape. They're all the same size. They're probably produced all by Dell. Oh yeah, they are. I see you. Hold on. One at a time. You know the drill. Caleb. The two work bands over here. It's the. I bought them both at Office Depot. I bet they're produced by the same company. Kayla, way to be. Leah, I got you. I got you, Leah. What's next?
I was about to say 2 boxes.
Which boxes? The toolboxes. Look at the toolboxes. If you have this toolbox, and if I hit it and put it over there on the, what table is that? George Mason. I bet they wouldn't know the difference because they're the same thing. Floor.
That's the window.
What'd you say?
Wait, what did Floor say? Floor, say it louder.
The S's are
We're going to stop right there. The S's in witness.
I ain't even
Look
know
at
that.
those two S's. Look at the two S's.
I didn't even know that.
Now, here's the bulk of the lesson. Caleb, before we do anything, let's lead us off. Lead us off, Caleb. Everybody's at volume level 0. Caleb's the only one speaking.
Today we will be able to define congruence. That's a congruent, right? And determine if two polygons are congruent by applying sequences of rigid motions.
All of last year, we did rigid motions. What are the 3 rigid motions? Translations, rotations, and reflections. Floor said those 2 S's. What can you do with those 2 S's?
Rotate.
You can, Marquette, say it out loud again. If you translate one of the S, will it land right on top of the other S?
Yeah.
Watch this. Somebody first period said this. On the shout out board, well, I'll give it 2 minutes, please.
Okay. I got it.
On the shout out board, aren't all of these congruent post-it notes? They come from the same post-it note pad. I bet they're the same. Watch this. Whoops. Oh, almost. If I rotated, if I flipped, if I translated, look what could end up happening. didn't it land right on top of another one? Isn't that a good way to show congruence? To prove congruence? We all can use our eyeballs and say, yeah, that chair is the same as that chair. That window is the same as that window. That's good to do. It's easy to do. It's quick to do. But you can actually prove congruence by using rigid motions. So I'm almost done talking. Look at this one that we're more familiar with. We're on a coordinate plane. I see two triangles. One of them is triangle ABC. The other one is triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. How could you prove that they're congruent? What would you do, Kevin?
Well, it was a reflection.
It's a reflection.
Oh, measurement.
If you reflected ABC onto A prime, B prime, C prime, do you think they would land on top of each other? If I did this?
Yeah.
I agree. And let's be even more precise with actual notation, an actual statement. So on the note section, like we always do, let's write one little note down here, one note down here. Let's actually write the congruency statement. Ready? We know the triangle ABC. Who can do the congruent symbol? Anybody know it? Do it in the air. Do it in the air. Everybody do it in the air. Leah's doing it. Do it again, Leah. It's an equal sign with a squiggly over it. Watch this. Ready? There it is. That's the symbol for congruency. It is congruent to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So write that in your notes section. Make sure you have that notation. And there's one more thing for me to do, and then we get back to our indoor stations. You know the drill. Marquette's got great notes today. Anna's got great notes. Tomorrow, let's look ahead to tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to talk more about the individual parts of each triangle. But here's a little preview. What do you think segment AB is congruent to over here? A prime, B prime. You know how you can mark that in geometry? It's called a little tick mark. That one little line through that segment simply means this is the same as this. What if I went, what's the same as BC? Segment BC. Why do you think I put two little ones? Why?
It's two different ones.
It's two different ones. This one's not the same as this one or that one. And I'm going to put 3 for the next one. A prime, C prime is the same thing as AC. You kind of see how that works? You can also make angle notation with arc lengths. So there's A and A prime. There's B prime. And there's C prime. That'll be tomorrow. But that's pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So now I'm done talking. Kayla, you read our objective. We're going to use rigid motions to prove congruence. You know our stations. You know our drill. Encore book today. Make it happen. Go for it. Let's go. You can do con. You can do anything you want. Let's make it happen.
I forgot my encore book.
You what?
Am I on camera? I don't like being on camera. I'm just saying. But I forgot my encore book.
You forgot your encore book?
Yeah.
You know where they're at?
Oh.
Making moves, making moves, making moves. Let's go.
What's up, big ball? Big goal over here. That's the big goal.